Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today I am showing you, this is leftovers from last night, but I wanted to share with you because it's really awesome. There's something spilled on the bottom of the oven, forgive me. But we are making cheese stick marinara hamburgers. I got this idea from a video on DIY Tube, actually. There are some eating videos that were on the homepage of DIY Tube the other day, and for laughs, Michelle and I were watching them at work at the office at the store, and I got the idea that hamburger looked pretty good, so we went straight to the grocery store and we bought the makings for a cheese stick marinara hamburger. And it was so good, and even the photos, my mom and my sister were excited about them. They were so good that I decided to share it with you and make a video today on it. So stay tuned. When the stuff is heated up here fully, we'll be putting together some hamburgers. Are you excited, Michelle? Yes. See? Michelle is very excited. She loves them. She ate a whole hamburger and a whole mess of fries last night. See you in a minute. So I got some organic Newman's Own marinara sauce, and I got some in a container on top of the toaster oven to warm up. We don't need to heat it hot, but I want to warm that up so it's not cold when it gets on our hamburger. And then in a few minutes I'll throw the hamburger buns on there as well and warm them up. Actually, they're not cold. They were cold last night because it was cold out on the drive home. But it's going to be good. Right, Michelle? Are you excited about it? Oh yeah, going to be good. Yep, she wants the hamburgers. Well, we'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, we're going to put this together. Michelle's going to get her burger first. Right, Michelle?
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get a hamburger here. Here's what we got here. Let me see what we got here. She's gonna eat a whole hamburger. Listen to her, she's excited. See, there's a hamburger. Okay. Hope you can hear all that. And we're gonna put on a couple cheese sticks, make it nice and cheesy. Okay. So adds some good flavor. I need a napkin. And then, let's get my fingers wiped here. Then we're going to put on some marinara sauce that we heated on top of the stove so it's not so cold. Alright, we're going to put that in there. Nice and happy coating of marinara sauce. No ketchup or mustard or anything. We don't want any other flavors mixed in. And that is our homemade cheese stick marinara hamburger, and oh, it's good. It's so good. Michelle is dancing. Michelle, is it good? Huh? She gets all shy. Is it good, Michelle? Are you excited? Huh? There she goes. It's exciting. We'll get you some fries. Some fries on there for you. Not too much for her because they're sort of spicy, but she'll eat them. She'll eat all that. There's Michelle's. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. I gotta take care of her. We'll be right back. Okay, I want to set me up a burger. So, get your hamburger bun out there and set up a burger. And we put some cheese sticks on there. Look at that cheese. Oh, nice. Now these are reheated from last night, but they're still pretty good. And we put some marinara sauce on there. Now, I got this whole idea just from a video on DIY Tube, so you know, it might not be exactly what it was, but it looked good and I wanted it and I made it. Leave some for Melanie. She's not here at this moment. When she gets back in, she'll get some. Put some fries on there. And believe it or not, that's pretty filling too. That's a good meal. So there is my homemade cheese stick marinara hamburger. And that's all you need right there. That's it. Let me see. Wow. The flavor combinations with the cheese sticks and the hamburger and the marinara sauce. Oh wow. You gotta try this. It's incredible. Alright guys, Troy from the Do It Yourself World and the Off Grid Project. I'm gonna enjoy this burger. Talk to y'all later.